Hey guys, I picked up a new pedal. Just wanted to do a quick demo of it. It is the ProCo RAT. I got it to kind of round out my collection. My band may own one, but I don't own one. So this is a brand new ProCo RAT. I think it's RAT 2. This says model number RAT. Made in Jackson, Missouri. Cool. So I got this from Pitbull Audio new, and they seem to be a name that pops up on both Reverb and eBay. And I've bought from them through both sites, and they've been pretty good so far. So I definitely recommend them. Although this packing job, I don't know about that. But it's a pedal, so probably fine. Alright, so we just have a quick registration thing with the serial number on the back. And then the RAT that my bandmate has is much bigger. This is just a little guy. Everything's getting smaller, except for cell phones. Okay, so this pedal has a distortion, a filter, a volume, and I'll kind of give a brief demo of that. The build quality is solid, and there's a little battery compartment. Let's see how that looks. Cool. Let's pull out the actual battery thing. It's interesting that they wrap this up, but also a good idea so you don't short anything out. I'm not going to be using... Oh, and the battery can go in this little enclosure. I'm not going to use the battery, so I don't care. And then standard 9-volt DC and out. Cool, let's hear how it sounds. Alright guys, so I'm running an American Special Tele on the neck pickup, and this Crimsontone boutique amp is sort of like an orange Tiny Terror. So let's hear how that sounds. Here's my clean tone. cool. Thanks for watching. That is my new Rat pedal. Please subscribe if that's a thing you do. I'd appreciate it so much. Bye now.